Wait a minute, ladies and gentlemen, sorry about this, just getting everything into position. First of all, I'm going to be sowing these delphinium seeds. Don't know if you can see that. With the light on, have a quick look. Yep. Dode swells. Dusky maiden, what it's called. That's called purple passion. And these are called delphinium. These are magic fountain sky blue. I've already watered and patted down my compost. It's getting on here. I've not had time to sow these, so because I've got a heated greenhouse, I can sow these and grow them until next year. They'll be fine. If they get too hot, I've got a cold part of the greenhouse where I can put them in, but let's see what they're like, these. See the seeds there. You don't get many. Quite expensive, these, but it's supposed to be well worth it, so we'll have a good go and see how we get on. Oh, look at that. So you rip it up and see every single seed out, and they're costing you quite a few quid. This is peat-based compost I'm using. It's got plenty of wood fibre in and a little bit of feeding, which I don't really like when I'm sowing seeds, but it's the only compost I've got at the moment. With what's happening, we have to do amend, I suppose. Right, let's have a look at this one, shall we? Let's have this in here. These mylar seed packets can be a real pain sometimes. There's a few more in that one. It's got a bit better. That's that. If you get them all out. You don't want to cover these too deeply. Shut these light. Last part. Get out of that bit there. Yep. Nice. Let's just see it in there. Come on, that's it. Yeah. I've just really dealt with all those in there. So I missed out on. Right, don't want to mess about with any tags, just stick, because they're made out of mylar, they're not going to rot these. Stick these in just so I know what's what. I've got it on video anyway, so that's what I'll do. Just go back, look at the video, see what's where, which I have to do quite often. I'm in dyslexia. So that's my first sowing of my delphinium seeds this autumn. Like I said, I've used a peat-based compost. Fill your tray up, give it a pat down with a block of wood so that and give it good water. Sow your seeds, and then all you want to do is get some dry compost. Give it just a thin layer. I don't water this then because the compost underneath is already really well watered. It will simply wet that through. Right, so then what we're going to do is we get this. Right, there we go. As you can see, I've got it in my heater propagator. The nice size are there. There's my cutting next to them. I've got my thermostat there, regulated. I shall get the thermometer off this if I can find it. It's somewhere. So like this. Stick this in this tray, and that will give me a good temperature guide with the compost being wet. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe, everybody. Goodbye.